So guys, what we have here is our gold. So let's try and see where the gold will be moving for the next day. Now I actually did analysis yesterday about on the 3 to predict where this gold will be moving to. We all predicted that this drop will actually drop to this level, right? We can see that this gold have actually dropped to this level, right? So now we want to predict where it will be moving for the next day, which is on the 4th of November. So before we get started, make sure you click on the subscribe button if you've not, and also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. Now let's start with the trend on this gold. You can see that this trend on our gold is on a bearish move, right? You can see that we are seeing a lower lows, lower highs on our gold, right? That is one. This is on a bearish move. One. Secondly, is that our movement is below our moving average. You can take a look at this movement here. They are all below the moving average, right? That is to tell you that we are on a bearish move. So it's below our moving average. It came here down, right? Then it's kind of corrected by giving us a bullish move. Now it is on a bearish move. So take a look at this recent movement here. You can see that this price is still below the moving average. It is not above it. And you all know the rules of trading this moving average is that once the price is below the moving average, we have to short it. But if it is above it, we have to go long. So clearly, we can see that this is below the moving average. So we have to short it. Now that this price has actually dropped to this our level we actually predicted for, right? Of course, a pullback should be made. So this is exactly what you're having. So I believe once the pullback is being made, we would have another bearish move again on this gold. Now that will take us to the 4-hour time frame. So take a look at this 4-hour time frame, right? We always predicted that this gold will actually drop down to this level, which it has dropped. So we are expecting a pullback. So once this pullback is being made and it is over, which I believe so, we would add another bearish move again. So if you've not taken the bearish move previously on this gold downward, then maybe you can jump and enter and take this bearish move on this hour gold since a correction has been made. Once the bearish move is going again, you can enter and short and enter the bearish move. Though it depends on when you are watching it, by the way, and when you want to place a trade, because if you are watching it late, your price should have moved gone far. But if you are watching it early, then I think it will be a good opportunity to actually watch out for this price and try and enter this gold. And if possibly, I believe that this gold itself will actually break this level. Yes, there's every possibility that the gold itself will actually break this level. So watch out for it. This is the lows that our gold has been coming to test, right? Once we get this pullback on the 4-hour time frame, I believe that the gold will actually drop to this same level. And if possible, if there's a good movement or a huge movement, they would actually sit, break below the level and continue to go bearish. So above all, gold, we are still expecting to go bearish. So expect this price to actually drop below a level of 162. I think a level of 1618. So we are currently trading at 1629. This is when we are doing the analysis. By then, or it depends on it, we would actually see when the gold, we will have seen that gold have dropped to a level of 1617 and possibly break below it and go down. If possible, you might break below it and go down. So on the 4-hour time frame, we are on a bearish move, right? Just that the pullback has been made, which the pullback will be over anytime soon. Then you can enter to short this gold. And now let's see what this 1-hour time frame actually says, by the way. So we can take a look at this as impulse move down. Here we can see it as a correction. Here as the impulse move. Here comes the correction, right? Here we can see it as the impulse move. Let's see if the correction will actually roll up and reject at this level. If the correction does not reject at this level, then we should actually see it reject at this level before we start seeing that bearish move. Right, so we might see it reject at this level and continue to go bearish, or we might see it go further up, reject at this level, and start giving us a bearish move on our gold for the day.